welcome back to my channel. We're gonna do a quick video demonstrating on how I make my volume bands. This is a video that I feel like has been super highly requested. I get asked about it all the time on my Instagram. Everybody asks me what lashes I use, what tweezers do I use, etc. So I just want to make a quick little video on how I do my fanning. It is way more complex than people think it is. Fanning and volume lashes. Sorry if you hear my puppy playing with the water bottle in the background, but it is way more complicating than what people think. You definitely have to develop that muscle memory and everything else. You know, it's all about how you hold your tweezers, what tweezers are you using, etc. So I feel like these are all the products right here that I use to make my volume bands. These are one of my favorite, all-time favorite lashes. These are I mix CC and C curls. I love doing this forever whenever I want to create a soft wispy effect. I always go in with two different curls, so these are the ones that I'm going to be using in this video. So the lashes that I have on my tray, so my popular sizes for myself personally are 11 through 14, 15s and 16s. I sometimes use 10s, but for the demonstration of the video that I'm doing, I'm going to be doing 11 through 14. So you just want to shake up your glue really good. Another important thing that I feel like a lot of lash artists don't do is you need to burp your glues. So what I like to do is just give it a little hiccup and get all those air bubbles out and drop a nice little bead on my tile. The reason why I don't like to use jade stones, I don't like to use glue rings, is because they're really messy for me. I'm very clumsy, so I've had it where I've dropped lash glue on my client before and it's just not cute. It gets all over my nails, and you know, I pay a lot for my nails, girl, so I'm not trying to ruin them. So I always put down tape on my lash tile. These tiles I believe I got from Home Depot. They're just marble tiles and they're pretty thick. That's why I like them, is that they're heavy so they don't move around a lot. This is my volume lash tweezer. This is going to be from my brand. These are my brand lash tweezers from my line Lashsthetics. It is just a rose gold, pretty decent sized boot tweezer. I love this tweezer so much. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in, and I like to just flatten out those lashes. So actually, before I even go in and lash, I'm gonna go ahead and brush out the lashes and make them nice and fluffy. I always kind of brush towards me, just like that. So I'm gonna make them nice and fluffy. Every tweezer has a sweet spot. So for mine, on my tweezer, it's mainly right here. So this is the sweet spot. So this little, so I want to say that much for how my nail is on the tweezer. That much right here, like barely. Towards the end of the tip of the tweezer, that is where my sweet spot is on my tweezer. Now everybody's tweezer is different. Somebody's sweet spot can be in the middle of their tweezer. Someone might have it more towards the outer corner. Mine is more in the inner portion of my boot tweezer, and that's my sweet spot. And the sweet spot is that spot where you can go in and pick up those lashes and get a good firm grip. So angle my tweezer away. Literally all I'm gonna do is pinch the end, and you can kind of loosen it a little bit with your thumb, and that fan should just pop right open. Grab a better grip. There it is. Beautiful little fan. One more time. So slide right in, get as many lashes as you want, find your sweet spot, pull towards you, remove any excess lashes, squeeze, pinch, micro movements, just like that. Dip in your glue ever so slightly. Get a better grip. Bam. Kind of opened up a little bit, but There you go. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's all there really is to it for me making my volume bands. I really hope you guys like this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know what future videos you guys would like to see. Thank you so much and have a great day.